Okay, so this is a Juki Ams2101EN. Last three digits on the serial number is 098. Here we have an adjustable clamp because we're doing multiple pieces of Velcro. This distance stays the same, we're just changing it from here. So this will move to each size. So right now this is 7 3/4. The green screen means you're ready to sew. So we're gonna put the Velcro in and just gonna test it first. You want to make sure when you first load up the pattern that this adjustment is in the right spot. So you would set that so that you just get onto the very edge of the Velcro. And we're going to just jog it around to make sure we're okay. So that's here. What I did was this. I pressed this button here, and then I'm pressing the plus key. As long as the clamps are down, you'll be able to move this around. And I'm checking to make sure that I'm not hitting anything here. So I'm close but not hitting. If I'm all set, then I'm gonna exit out. So I'm just gonna press this so it goes back to the beginning. Okay, now we're gonna be ready to sew. Notice what the screen is set at. That's the 7 3/4 piece of Velcro. Okay. So now to change it in, let's look at the piece here. Okay. All right. So now to look at the next piece of Velcro. So let's load up the next pattern. So the way you do is you press. This is the ready button. So you press the ready button. Goes to the blue screen. I'm going to press this. I'm going to go to pattern number 2. That's the enter key. And that's a 6.5-inch piece of Velcro. I'm going to press the ready button. Screen changes to blue. So we're going to check this just as we did the other one. So we're putting that's kind of where he's figuring, because we've been taking this thing on and off all day, so we kind of know where it's supposed to be, but we're going to just check it. But if you didn't know, what you would do is put the Velcro in with the pattern, and you would jog it around like what I was showing you before. Moving this around. And at that point, we would loosen this thing up, to screw up and move this the right way we need to be. See, so right now that's pretty close there. You can move it just a little bit. Better if we take it back to the other end, because you can't get at it with the screw. Okay, but you'll see where you're at here. Yeah, okay, so we're good there. All right, so now we'll go back, and then we could sew this one. I'm just going to change the setting here because we want about 80% on the tension. Okay? And that's the other one. All right, so we're going to do one more. We're going to put the Velcro in first. And now move this, loosen that up and move it till you're just touching the Velcro. And then we'll double check it. We get it close, and then we just check it. See, we're underneath here, which is good. So let's just check it. So again, we press that button and we're moving this, jogging this around. Oh, I don't think we changed the pattern. So let's go back. Yes, we need to change the pattern. Okay. That's why you check it, to make sure that you have the right pattern matching up with everything that you've got. Now we're going to check it here. And we can see that we're pretty good there. All right, so we'll go back, and now we'll be ready to sew. Again, I'm going to change the tension to 80%, and we're ready to sew. Okay, so we've got one more to do in this run. So I'm going to make sure I change the pattern. It's going to be pattern number 4. Changing the tension size. And then he's going to move that approximately to where it needs to be. So, I mean, what you could do, you can give yourself some marks for the sizes you do. And then we'll check the Velcro. We're in the right spot. Let's check the pattern. And once we're good, so once you set up your clamp for the application you're doing, you can leave that set until you're ready to change it. Okay?